Yes, the Betway Premiership Match Day 3 round of matches continued tonight with Orlando Pirates finally getting a victory thanks to Kamohelo Sibelebele, the new signing, who scored a wonderful goal and also earning himself a man of the match performance there. Congratulations. At the Sishiho Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns beat Magesi FC 2-0. Thanks to Jaden Adams and Peter Shalulile scoring goals there. Peter Shalulile's goal will now move him equal and square with veteran striker Bele Nomvete as the all-time lead goal scorer in the PSL with 129 goals. Congratulations to Peter. But at the Princess Makoko Stadium, we see that Amazulu beat Marumo Gallants 1-0. Let's look at the log table. Ooh, Mamelodi Sundowns breathing heavily there behind Kaizer Chiefs. Hey, Sukukune leading. Wow. Okay, let's look at the bottom half. Orlando Pirates out of the relegation zone.